siya. So dyan din nagtatago. Karamihan niya.
In Northern Luzon, napaka-fraud nila sa earthquake. Dahil yung foundation ng soil nila is not the same with the foundation of the soil that we have in Central and Southern Luzon. So they need to separate the bell tower to the church itself. Kaya earthquake pa raw. So when an earthquake hits a particular area po, hindi madadamage yung simbahan. Since most of the old church that you will find, wala po siyang bakal. So what makes the church strong? Matibay. Later on, as we go out, what you'll be seeing on both sides of the church are the what we call buttresses. Buttresses is yung parang hangin sa gilid ng simbahan. Then we also have the retablo. All of us used to call it altar. But in the end, it's called a retablo. And ang tabong na retablo is where you will find the patron saint of the church. Then, of course, sa retablo you will find the most sacred part of the church. You have an idea. Yung sagradong bahagi ng simbahan, the most sacred part of the church. Alam ko yun mga tinatawag na natin name or minsan tinatawag nilang ang tawag ng tabernakulo. There inside the name, nandun nakalagay ng store yung wine and the bread that represent the Last Supper. For Jesus Christ was handed to was provided by David and was provided to him.
Bawal daw magpasend.
And decided what? Provided. Then, are what we call the transcend. It represents the birth and death. There you transcend natin. Then, ito, this is what they call pulpit or pulpito. So, long ago, yung mga pare,
Galing ako bisita ng Ginaldo. Pero si Mentora kung sino ang talagang wave talaga.
Igagawin mga mortar o yung mga pinagalo-halong adobe rocks and shell and egg yolk. So, may punishment. So, sino po ba yung mga ano nun? Yung mga nagbibigay nun, yung mga libin or dukha, yung may hirap lamang na kaya magbigay. No? Sila yung kailangan or priority na sila yung kailangan magbigay. Kapag mayroong hindi nakapagbigay, may punishment. So, doon sila nauobliga magbigay. Okay? Philippines, no? So, from unang dayuhan or unang mananakop, sino ba yung unang mananakop? Okay, sino yung lumapag sa Cebu or doon sa may Mactan, sino ba yun? Sino ba yun? Si Ferdinand Magellan. Si Ferdinand Magellan ba isang yun? Okay, Portuguese.
Sino yung pumatay kay Labulang ko? Si Xavier!
Okay, sige. Ang tanong ni Kuya, sino pumatay kay Ferdinand Magellan? Yung specific, yung mismo tao, sino?
Sino pumatay kay Magellan?
Matibay or ito yung ginagawa nila na semento during that time kasi wala pang purong semento, no? Na ginagamit natin ngayon. So, ayun yung ginagamit nila. So, ganun din kung ano yung nakikita nyo dun sa may intramuros, parehas. No? Ito naman Casa Real, guys. Kaya nga nasabi ko, ito yung tawag dito, dyan pumupunta during that time yung Gobernador Silio and siya rin yung dating tinitirhan ng isang presidente. So, ginamit yan ni Emilio Aguinaldo. Pero hindi ganyan yung old design niya, guys, ha? Actually, haligi na lang yung natira dyan na original. So, renovated na siya sa Gobernador Silio and ni Emilio Aguinaldo that time. So, gaya nga nasabi, dito ginanap ang First Congress and yung anunsyo ng Republic of the Philippines.
More people will be there.
The guy.
Mister.
Can I ask you a question?
Ano yun?
How much do you like this place? Rate this place
Out of 10.
1 to 10.
5 lang.
Why do you give it 5 out of 10? How come? Why?
Boring eh. Pero maganda sa
Why is it
Why is it boring?
It's full of Why is it boring? It's full of bubbles. Bubbles, yeah.
Depende naman kung wala kang gagawin, kung dito ka lang boring. Pero kung may kasama ka naman, tambay-tambay
You
ka.
mean you can fly, bro?
Guys, wala kayo para may panangalan si Kuya Manny.
Meron na akong birdie, kuya.
Tapos na tayo next.
Birdie. What do you mean birdie?
What do you mean by birdie?
You can fly, bro.
Yes, bro.
Okay.
You
Ay, English only?
Oh, yes.
English only.
Ikaw bala kung Tagalog.
English only.
Okay, Tagalog.
Kaya napapahirapan niyo pa ako eh.
Don't bad word is vlog.
Yes,
Yes, you're on camera.
Education, eto. If you're gonna go here, what will you recommend?
Sa mga magtotropa ba?
Magkatropa, okay. Thank you
for your time.
Oy, pera ko, may bayad yan.
No. Thank you for your help. Interview.
How much do you like this place, sir?
Out of 10.
Out of 10.
Zero.
0 out of 10.
Why do you give it 0 out of 10?
It's boring, guys.
Boring.
Why is it boring? Why is it boring?
Why is it boring?
Di mo paglulo.
You will not recommend this place to go in the future. Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you for your place. Thank you for your place.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nahanap pa.
Other people,
Ang dami naman dun, oh.
The
Habibi. How much did you like this place out of 10?
1 to 10.
1 to 10, 1 to 10.
Why do you give it 9? Why 9?
Maganda.
Why is it
Why
beautiful?
is it beautiful?
Why is it beautiful?
History.
History
About
What's
that,
next?
Give me a sample.
Give me a sample.
The plates were used for more.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you think
Do you recommend this place to go if you're gonna go in the field trip for other students? Yes. Okay.
Yes, okay. Thank you for your time.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you for your time. Thank you. That's fine. Out of 10.
out of 10?
Why do you give it 7?
Why 7?
Why 7? Ano, ito popost
Why
natin sa
7
YouTube.
po?
Popost namin.
Yes.
Yeah.
This
For the project, for our
It's for project.
Tapos naman.
All of you can answer us.
Kanina pa tayo.
7 ko, nirate ko 7.
Oh.
Why daw?
Why 7?
Why 7?
Mainit.
So hot,
And
What are the
other
things you love
Other
about
ways.
this place?
peaceful and quiet. Fresh air.
This one, quiet.
recommend this place to go when you're
In the field trip.
When you're gonna go in the field trip.
Ano?
Would you recommend this place to other students
Okay,
when...
thank you.
Thank you for your time.
14, baka naman. Oh.
Sino naman?
Labas na naman. Oh. Last na, tapos labas na.
Ayun na, interview.
Interview. Why?
How much do
Do you like this place? Out of 10.
1 to 10 or anything you want.
Don't leave me, don't leave me.
Why do you give it 9? Why?
Okay.
Because it shows all of the Air Forces.
Air Force.
Force.
Oh.
Yes.
So what are the things you love about this place? Bukod sa mga Air Force.
I really like the nature here, the grass, the trees,
Mm.
that
Yeah.
whole thing over there.
Yeah,
Question
it is
about
beautiful.
that. Okay.
Okay, thank you for your time. Thank you for your time.
Do you recommend
Ay, would you recommend this place again?
Yes or no?
Yes,
Oh yes.
Oh yeah, so why?
because it's really peaceful here.
Yeah.
Okay, sige. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your time.
Okay.
Boss!
Sir George.
Sir George! The one who gave us the project! Sir George! Interview.
For your project din daw, sir.
How much
do you rate this place?
Out of 10?
Out of 10, sir.
1.
Why do you give it 1? Why?
Tanungin nyo naman ibang teacher, yung experience.
We already interviewed them. We already interviewed them.
Honest review.
Honest review.
Takot si Sir sa mic.
Honest review, sir.
Ang dami nyo kasi.
Isa lang.
Hindi, okay naman.
It's okay.
Why?
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 Do you
How come?
number 1 out of 10? Why did you pick 1 out of 10? What's the reason?
Why did you pick 1 out of 10?
Ayusin mo muna English mo.
What are the things you
Why
hate
did you
about
rate
this
it
place?
1 out of 10?
Ano?
What are the things you hate about this place and what are the things you love about this place?
Yeah.
Yung hate? Wala naman.
Me, you love me.
Why did you rate 1 out of 10?
Why did you rate it 1 out
You
of
don't
10?
have any
Oh, yes.
hate.
1 to 10.
Yes.
Baba ka dyan. Baba kayo dyan, papagalitan
Hey,
kayo.
get down.
Get down.
Baba.
Sir, monkey bars to eh.
Sir, what's the answer?
Oh, speechless. It's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Oh, okay. Okay, my turn.
Oh, your turn.
Thank you for the review.
Thank you for your time. Yes. Sir Ali,
Thanks so much.
rate it out 1 out of 10. Out of 10.
Actually, hindi ko pa alam. Wait lang.
Rate this place out of 10.
Video mo na, video mo.
So I rate this place mga 8 out of 10.
Why do you give it 8 out of 10?
Kung peacefulness niya saka yung pagkakaroon ng connection with the nature.
Okay.
Okay, would you recommend this place again to go in another field trip?
Sir, may...
There's saan.
There's saan.
Ano tanong?
Would you recommend this place again for another field trip?
For another field trip? Maybe another place. More than nature, connect with the nature. Siguro yung meron pang is kumbaga nature and then historical events.
Okay. Thank you for your
Thank you
time.
for your time, sir. Thank you for your time. Sabas na, ang init dito.
Ay, sabas.
Okay, let's go. Thank you for your time. Let's go, team. We're gonna go to the bus now. Interview more people there.
If you're gonna rate
This place out of 10, what would you rate it?
What you rate it?
This place?
Yes.
Yes.
As of now, it's on 7.
Why do you give it
Reason
7?
why it's 7?
Because we're not starting yet.
Would you recommend?
I can rate it as 9.
Okay. And will you recommend this for other
Another.
field trip?
Yes.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Thank you for your time. Thank you.
Interview, sir.
Interview, sir. Sir.
For the project. Project, sir.
AP.
Hindi ko nakakalabas, sir.
Nakalabas ka na ba, sir? Abisin. Opo, doon. Din po. Hindi pa. Okay. Interview other people. Go inside.
Ihilang ako.
Wait.
Let's go.
Finish this first.
Ihilang ako.
Last interview.
Ako na mag-video.
Nakawis kayo.
Ano? From 1 to 10. Anong rate mo dito?
Why 1?
Tama?
Walang aeroplano.
Walang aeroplano.
Oh, there's no
It's just
airplane.
flying, right?
Ha?
It's just flying.
Mapogi ba si
And why did you rate it 1?
Walang operational na aeroplano.
Ano English mo? Gago ka.
Panggago.
Walang operational na aeroplano.
Walang gumagana.
What do you rate it? 1 to 1? Ha? What the fuck?